Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to tire pressure reset the Mercedes C Class 2010. First we turn the ignition on and immediately we see to reset the tire pressure. We have two menu buttons on our steering wheel. We use the left one to go to the right. If we come to the surface, we use the arrow button to go to tire pressure, the second one. This one, you press OK with the left. Okay, and another OK to restart the tire pressure. Just like that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel if you like our videos. Thumbs up for our likes. Thank you. Bye bye.